Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're having a Bluetooth device issue and it says that the device is paired but not connected. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to restart Bluetooth services. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And pop up itong run. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na services.msc. So, itype mo lang yung command keyword na services.msc. So, one word yan. And then, itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na tong services, and dito lang sa services local at dito lang sa right side, ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Bluetooth support service. So, scroll down ko lang and then kailangan mo lang hanapin dito yung Bluetooth support service. So, ang next step ay select and right click. And then, kailangan mo lang itap dito yung restart. So, click mo lang yan. And then, click dito yung yes. And wait natin. So, after mo siya ma-restart in the next step ay, so, automatic nakaselect na to. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-double click. So, double click lang tayo. And dito lang sa kanyang general properties at dito lang sa startup type. So, kailangan nakaselect dito yung automatic. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung apply and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error is still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to switch off Bluetooth and switch it back again. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to select on start menu and dito sa search for app. So, type mo lang dito yung settings and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu and then select mo lang dito yung Bluetooth and devices. So, i-click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung Bluetooth. Okay, so dito lang sa right side ay kailangan natin itong i-turn off. So, click mo lang yan. And then, once na turn off na tong Bluetooth and then kailangan mo ulit itong i-turn on. Okay, click mo lang ganyan. And then, close lang natin yan. And kailangan mo lang restart. Okay, click mo lang dito. Okay, so after ka makapag-restart, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to update the Bluetooth driver. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to press again the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And pop up itong run. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na DABMGMT.msc. So, you need to type this command keyword DABMGMT.msc. That is all one word. And then, itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung view. So, click mo lang yan. And then, next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung show hidden devices. So, itap lang natin yan. And wait natin. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Bluetooth. So, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-update yung ating Bluetooth driver. Okay, so i-select lang natin tong Bluetooth device. So, select and right click. And then itap mo lang dito yung update driver. And may dalawang option dito na pwede nating i-select, like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. And then, itap mo lang tong search automatically. So, click mo lang yan and wait natin. And the best drivers for your device are already installed. So, after dito sa device manager, and dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Bluetooth device paired but not connected in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.